Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And welcome to another trip vlog, back-to-back trip vlogs coming your way. This one is extra special. I know I say this for every trip I go for, but no, trust me, this is very special because oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm finally going on a trip with my girls, with my best friends from school. I don't think it's still sunk in that we're like going until we probably see each other at the airport. Won't sink in ki acha we are going. We've known each other for almost a decade now, for 7-8 years. I remember being in school and talking about once when we grow up we'll go here, we'll go there, we'll go for trips. And ever since college started we've gone out with like our respective friend groups, but never together because things didn't match, especially because Matangi does not live in Mumbai. But finally it happened. We started planning in March, April. You're like, we should go here or there. Finally narrowed down to guess where. Should I tell y'all now? Should I tell y'all later? I think let's wait. Let's keep y'all waiting. We thought of so many destinations, this place, that place, and then narrowed down to this one only. But I'm so glad we're going here because first trip calls for going to this place. And I'm almost ready. I just have to put on a little bit of blush and lipstick. And it's also my dadi's birthday, so we'll cut the cake and then leave for the airport. Oh my god, reached at the airport for our first ever girls trip. Even I'm not revealing the place till we go there. So the caption will be girls trip begins. How excited are y'all? How excited are y'all?
Super.
Matangi has dressed up like those celebrities.
Matangi is looking like a full proper sophisticated
Proper
person.
celebrity, and this one has to woken up and come. Has put blush. I don't know if you're... No, it's not blush. Shut up. It's not blush. It's just
Liar. She was
natural.
like, yeah, I'm just putting blush and leaving.
I said this.
You said this on call.
At the security check, getting all the bags in. Matangi is leading the way, as she'll do throughout the trip.
Mom of the
We are done with our security check-in. We just roamed around thoda sa here there, and now we're just sitting here at the airport. We'll have Domino's now mostly. We'll take Domino's mostly.
There's no McD and Mahika really
McD is down and we're up. T1 only, but on top, so that's why. And Mahika, say hi. Mahika's talking. To who? We will never know. Who are you talking to?
My daddy. Guys, the boarding has started and now we're fun.
Guys, I'll see you all later. The boarding has started and just when we have to go to the washroom, it's all full.
Stand in line, Rashmi.
Yeah.
She's breaking the line and telling you are breaking it.
Guys, boarding now and off to where we have our Domino's. Bus. We're in the flight now. Guess where we're going. Guess. Keep guessing and keep commenting. Keep commenting.
I just get a little alert.
Alert? She was closing her eyes when she wants window seat.
No, I've never closed my eyes. I'm just seeing.
We reached.
We're revealing the place in sometime.
Yes.
I said that bags don't come first and Matangi's bag came first.
Matangi's bag came first. She said she says things and she happens. Why can't she say good things? Please remove my bag. Please help. Please help.
My bag will take time.
Thank you.
My bag never comes.
We are leaving. Bye. Bye, Mahika. So, where are we?
We are in 1, 2, 3.
Go! So, we're staying at Club Mahindra Varka here in Goa. So excited. Our first girls trip. Thought of so many places and finally narrowed down to Goa. Huh?
Get balcony.
I hope we do. What do you think? I think I wish our room is down only, so we can just come. But say and go jump in the pool.
I want the best room.
Goa is like the proper trip place. So much fun. Wow. That's a very beautiful property. I came here when I was very young. And I'm coming after maybe 10, 12, 13 years. So guys, Mahika's filming for us. We're here, not open the room yet. First time opening in front of you.
We're also seeing it with you guys.
We are also seeing it with you guys. Chalo, let's go. Oh wow. I got... Ooh. This is a lot like the Club Mahindra Tungi one. Oh my god, so cute. There's a small hall sort of a thing. Show the kitchen. There's a kitchen.
Cute.
I want to sit here only the whole day.
This, oh yes, we can make something at night when we're
Like midnight snacks, maybe. Then this is the bedroom. Yeah.
Love it, guys.
It's so huge. So
Just feel like jumping.
this is the washroom. Here, this is the washroom. There's like 2 doors.
Hello. You got lost. Where are you?
Come here.
Open now.
Pool from here only we'll
I
dive.
open from here.
From here only we'll dive at night.
You dive from here.
Nice. So, I remove chappal. That's the thing. So cute. We're going to dive straight from here. So this is like a sneak peek of the outfit. I'm not giving you all the full outfit later. But we were just like sitting.
You can only see my face.
He doesn't want to show the outfit. So we were just like sitting and finding like a sundown or sort of like a place, and we just found like we narrowed down to Jamming Goat. So we are mostly going there only, but in case we find some other places, we might go there as well. Bad hair because of the travel and everything. Also, Mahika has just ordered some of these fake acrylic nails for us from Savannah by Urbanic. This is the brand, Savannah by Urbanic. We are gonna apply it right now, get ready, and then go for a sundown. It's around 3:30 right now. It's monsoon, so the weather is like, it's not raining, but the weather is very peaceful and very monsoony.
So guys, we were doing putting fake nails, and I mean, I don't even want to show it to you.
Show it to you.
Because it looks very, very funny. It looks so funny. Look at this. It looks horror. It looks horror. Like I've never done nails. So I don't
She's
know.
saying you wanted to watch a horror movie.
I
Now
had-
watch this.
So I naturally had
Sure.
long nails, but for the first time I wanted to put fake nails. And I put, and now it looks so horror. And she wanted to watch a horror film. What is more horror than this?
We're all ready, but unfortunately we don't have really good lighting, so that's why it's not seen. But we're looking gorgeous. So one more information tip for Goa is there's no Uber, etc. So if you want to travel, Goa Miles is an app that you download, which is like the Uber of Goa. So we've finally made it to
Guys.
Jamming Goat with many obstacles.
बालों की वाट लग गई है हमारे.
Practically, how many obstacles did we face?
A lot.
And I'm telling you guys, Goa Miles that we told you all is amazing, will work. Did not have work because it was very far from our hotel. You were not able to find the
Like
location.
if you guys are in the central Goa area,
Maybe
I think
it's
Goa
good.
Miles would work for you, but we were like little outside.
And also now while going back, we'll see if it works and we'll let you all know. Then super windy, monsoon season, so couldn't take my pictures, but theek hai, matlab, now we're finally reached.
Yeah,
we've
we'll
reached.
eat and then we'll take pictures.
And then we'll see what is the
very
plan for the rest of the night.
hungry,
Very
yes.
hungry now, yeah. We're back in the hotel now. The audience is waiting for you to talk. It was a chill day.
Yeah,
Very adventurous, must say.
We had fun, lots of fun.
We had a lot of fun.
We got ready, went to Jamming Goat, which is a good restaurant. Now, back in the hotel, going to enjoy. And tomorrow is North Goa day, so we'll
We
wake
bought
up and
cheesecake.
explore North Goa. We bought some dessert for ourselves from the Chocolate House. We're gonna have that. So now we're going for breakfast. Another vlogger. She is not vlogging anything, but it's the next morning. It's Sunday morning and it's raining like anything. And today our plan was North Goa. But let's see.
Is North Goa.
It is North Goa, of course. We will go. We will go. Timings.
Let's say how to go.
And timings will obviously differ, maybe. Guys, just look at this spread. This is just one section. Oh my god. There's too much. So excited to dive in.
You just played with my mental health right now, which I'm very upset about. Just cannot believe it.
I have told Mahika a very nice Goa horror story.
I just said anything I will listen except spirits and all, and she has started saying those stories.
Your biceps Ranveer
No, I
Alabadia
said
went to
no,
Goa
no.
and he...
Again, you want to
I'm
repeat
not
that
telling
story.
the story. I'm just telling
I
them.
don't nothing. But this story, don't tell any story I will listen. Any zombie, this vampire.
But
you tell, I
zombie
will
want to tell
listen.
ghosts are here, na? That's what I'm telling. We're at Arjuna in North Goa now. Now we're inside the shops. It's like a flea market plus like a very nice place with music, dance, a combination of English and Hindi songs, like old songs, good food. The vibe is amazing. Such a good vibe. Our table will be there in like 15 minutes and then we'll sit, enjoy the vibe, the music. Our outfits are looking fabulous. Matlab, how gorgeous are we looking? Tell in the comments. Comment down below and you all should say gorgeous. Comment gorgeous. Guys, Arjuna is a must visit. We're just done eating over there. You all have to come here. I mean, if you all come to Goa, it's the first time I've been here. I've been to Goa so many times. First time in Arjuna, it's in North Goa. It's so good. Typical holiday vibes, typical Goa vibes, a proper Goa place. So good, and I'm so glad we came here. We're mostly going to Purple Martini now and then back to the resort.
Like